Hello, traders. So gold probably may have changed the trend. Let's see that what kind of market structure it is forming here. Now we saw that there was an overextension earlier to this monthly support, and got that market strongly rejected from this lower price. So what we are looking at gold, if we look at the daily chart, we can see that from this daily order block the market straight drop back below to this another order block. So from the weekly time frame, if we look at gold, we can see that the price has just tested this weekly low, and this weekly low where there was huge breakout that we have seen in the past, this big weekly candle has formed. Now this weekly bullish candle is nearly to 1.5 ATR or above, nearly to ATR candle, and there is a buying pressure in that area. So today's market just touched that very important liquidity zone, as there is a strong buyer there. We saw there was a reaction from the buyers as usual. So that reaction might now potentially push the price back above here to this weekly resistance, the current weekly open, or even breaking potentially this weekly high. And the market, what I think, may not be able to break further lower below here. It might try to retest that, but there might be a set point here for a potential reversal back here to this 4250 level here. So that being said, from the monthly as well, we can see that this is also the monthly open, and as this is a historically bull market, if we look at the monthly price action, we can see that with this monthly inverted head and shoulder, there's a breakout pullback. The market is maintaining that series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market structure. So this monthly price action, we can expect now potentially to bounce back up here to create a new higher high. If we look at the lower time frame from the 4 hour chart here, that you can see this is where this narrow smaller doji that you can see, it's a liquidity zone. It's a very strong liquidity zone here, and the market has just tested that doji and got the rejection. So, and if we look at this more than 2.5 ATR candle on bearish, market has, we can see that just overextended below from that bigger ATR candle. So now the possibility here that the price to bounce back up, potentially cross this high and overextend back above. So there is a possibility here now for gold to reverse. Now for us to find an entry, if you look at this 1 hour, we can see there is a double bottom with a stronger liquidity sweep here, with a bullish engulfer pattern here. Now looking at this lower time frame, the market to come back here for a deeper pullback, and that is where I'm looking at potential entry for bigger move back to the upside. If the market change trend, we should see stronger liquidity candlestick pattern here in that area. That's what we're looking for entry. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll be looking to go long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet for more updated education as well as analysis like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.